Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I'm really excited today to introduce you to this pattern. It's called Terrazzo, or you can say it Terrazzo, and it means tile. And in this is part of my 9 is Fine Fat Quarter Quilt series. I decided I wanted to design some interesting fat quarter quilts. So in this one, I've used color value, which means the lightness, darkness, medium, to give it a three-dimensional look. So this right here is the quilt on the cover of the pattern, and you can see how these dark colors come forward, the light colors go back, and it gives it a 3D effect. I thought that was a lot of fun. And you can see this in nature. If you live anywhere near the mountains, if you go out and look at them, you'll discover that the ones furthest away look light, and the closer they come to you, the darker they look. So that's what we've done in this. So sign up for the class, and we'll talk about choosing your fat quarters and what you want to do with that, and explain what a fat quarter is, and show you how to make the quilt. It looks difficult, but it's actually not. So come have fun with us. Talk to you soon. The instructions, the link on how to sign up is down below your video. Thank you very much.